But because I had that good comfort, I was able to go to the hospital. I was able to have my kidney removed, which is what it took to get rid of the cancer. And right now, almost 2 years later, at this point in time, I am cancer-free.
Woo!
I'm going to, for a short moment, if you'll bear with me, I'm going to give a regular message that I did about not having healthcare. And I'm going to tell you why I don't have healthcare. After I had my kidney removed, I went back to work. A month after, I felt fine. As time went on, my energy level started to get smaller and smaller and smaller. I kept asking about it. Why am I so tired? Why don't I have any energy? And he says, well, try this, try that, maybe it'll do it. I think it'll do it. But sometimes that happens to you when you have a major surgery like I had. So I continued to work for about 6 months after my surgery. But by that time, I could hardly put one foot in front of the other. So I had to leave work. I did not want to. I loved my job. And my bosses were very good to me, even though I had to leave, because I didn't think I was ever going to get anything. I thought I was going to be tired and run around for the rest of my life. But in order for me to live, I said, well, it's worth it. I'm going to be tired, okay, but at least I'm going to be alive. So I left, but my bosses for 4 months after I left, kept my health care going, kept my insurance going, and for that I thanked them. But after that 4 months, my energy had not come back. I was not able to go to work. So I stayed home, I rested, I exercised, I tried to keep right. I did the things that would sort of build up the energy again. After 8 or 9 months, it started to build up again. So now I'm fine, but I have no health insurance. I'm fine. Do you know what it would be like to have cancer and not be able to go to the doctors now?
Wow.
Every time a pain hits, I'm wondering, is it better? Is the cancer better? And right now, if it were better, there's nothing that they would do for me. You can go to the emergency ward, and they will right back take care of you in these pills, but they will not have to treat you. So if you go to the emergency ward, then they do not have to admit nor take care of you. That is one of the problems that I face. And you imagine how many people in this United States that was in my situation that didn't have health care back then. Those people are not here. They have died.
Oh my God.
Because they did not have the health care that they needed. That is my total fear that my cancer will return. And I will not be able to go to a doctor. I have grandchildren that I adore and that adore me.